Hello students, welcome to brainstorming classes. So let us understand how to write a report. So to start writing a report, you have to understand the question or the topic of the report. Okay. Then after understanding the topic, then you have to be very much clear about the thing that you have to start with. Now, if I say uh, write a report on cleanliness drive organized by your school or school committee or cleanliness drive organized in your school. Now, first and the foremost important thing before writing a report, you should be very much clear that you have to write always in past tense because the event has already been organized. It has already happened. Okay, now you have to summarize the thing in a report. Okay, so that you can inform it in any suppose in magazine or newspaper or to any news channel. So before writing the report, you have to first understand the question or the topic first, then decide the format. Now most schools report follow this structure, like title, then your name, and introduction, body, and conclusion. So this is the structure that they follow. There are 5 steps. Number one is title, then your name. Okay, that is your name or byline. We say it byline, but I'm saying like your name. Okay, by your name. By suppose my name is Monish Bhattacharjee. If I write a report, then I have to write by Monish Bhattacharjee. Okay, so then introduction. Okay, main, body, and conclusion. Now you have to write the title. You have, again, title should be very much catchy. It should be short, catchy, and should be in a way which attracts your mm, what to say, the examiner who is watching your, who is reviewing your report. Okay, then you have to add the byline. Byline means your name. Okay, like by Monish Bhattacharjee, class 9. Okay, write the introduction then. It should be in 2 to 3 lines. What is the event, when and where did it happen, and who organized it? These are the 3 things enough. Okay, the students of ABC school organized a cleanliness drive on 2nd October 2025. Okay, after the thing has been said, that to mark the Gandhi Jayanti. Now the event, what is the event? That is Gandhi Jayanti. And who organized the event? That is your school campus. Okay, or your school committee and nearby areas. Okay, then write the main body. So now it is very important to understand, like the main body, you have to give how the event started. How the event started, what are the activities that you have done, you did during those event, that event, sorry. People, who are the people involved, and responses and experiences. Okay. Now, suppose the drive began at 9 a.m. Okay, with a short speech by the principal about the importance of cleanliness. Okay, this is the introduction. First, the principal gave a speech at 9 a.m. and the event started. Number one. Number two is the school from all classes participated. Students from all classes participate. That is your school, and every students, okay, from every class, they have participated. Number two, they clean the classroom first. What are the things that they did? Okay, so activities, they clean the classroom, corridors, and the school playground. And some groups collected plastic waste from the nearby park. Okay, and teachers guided the students throughout the activity. Okay, so these are the people who are involved. You understand? Now you have to write the conclusion. The conclusion is the end or the suggestion and the reaction. Okay, that is the result. Now example, if I say the event was a great success, everyone realized the value of keeping our surrounding clean. Such drives should be organized regularly to maintain hygiene and create awareness among school. This is the conclusion. Okay. So what you did, you said that it is a great success. This is something that you have to write in every report. This is a great success. Whether it is a great success or not, but still you have to write it a great success. And everyone realized the value. everyone understand the value. If you say and value of the event, value of such event been organized. Okay, you have to write it. And then the drive, then what you have written, if it is a cleanliness event, then you have to write the hygiene and maintain the regularity. Okay, this is the hygiene has to be clearly said. Okay, you have to highlight it. And then create awareness among people. Then final report example, if I say how you have to write it. Okay, now this is the cleanliness drive organized in ABC school. Okay, by Monish Bhattacharya, class 9. As I'm saying, because the byline is very important. That is your name and the class. Okay, the students of ABC school organized a cleanliness drive on 2nd October 2025 to mark Gandhi Jayanti. That event was held in the school campus and nearby areas. This is very important. This is the introduction that you have started. Then the body. The drive began at 9 a.m. with a short speech by the principal about the importance of cleanliness. Your principal has organized it. Okay, he presided over the things, and then he has, as your school has organized it, the principal has given his speech. Okay, and students from all classes they participated and they cleaned each and every classroom, corridors, and school playground. Some groups collected the plastic waste and other, waste. Okay, from the nearby parks, and teacher guided the students throughout the activities. The event was a great success. Okay, this is the conclusion, and everyone realized the value of keeping our surrounding clean. So such drives should be organized regularly to maintain hygiene and create awareness among people. Okay, so these are the three paragraphs that I have written. Now it is very important for you to make the things clear and very much concise. You understand what is concise, that you have to write it in very short but with meaningful words and sentences. Okay, so you have started. What is the thing? Your name byline is important first. Number two is the introduction that you have started here. Then the body, and then the conclusion. Okay, this is very important, and the report has to be in past tense. Why I'm saying this? Because you have already organized it, and the report is published only after the event is over. So you have to write it in past tense. Then you have to write it in very formal tone and the objective. There should not be any I or we, because this is the event organized not by you or we. It is organized by an organization like your school or any other organization. So you have to write it in a way where you cannot use I and we. You have to be very much cautious in writing this. Okay, you cannot use I and we. Okay, no such pronouns. Okay, that you have to, you cannot personify the things. You have to make it, that should be very much clear in your mind. You have to write about the organization, and the organization, you should highlight the organization rather than you, as a person. Okay, then it has to be very short, and clear sentences should be there. Now it is better to write within 100 words if it is said. Like I believe that you should not exceed more than 120 words. This is something I believe. Okay, and always proofread means once you complete writing the report, you have to read it twice or thrice, so that if there is any such mistake, then you can clear it then and there. You understand? Thank you.